Welcome to the Online Business Starting Line. If you are starting a new YouTube channel like I am doing with this channel right here this week, this video is for you because there's a lot of customization, tracking, metrics, and just easy things to do to make your channel look really good and stand out so that you can drive traffic and increase subscriptions. So let's break down how to get a custom URL, how to make your channel look and feel unique and specific to your audience, and my favorite hack to get new subscribers to click subscribe so that they follow you. So welcome to the Online Business Starting Line. Mark the Marketer here, and I really appreciate if you could subscribe and follow this journey as I build a video library of really good content built for you, any content creator, digital entrepreneur, or online business owner. There's so much to learn, there's so much to know, and I've done a ton of research, and I want to give you everything I've learned over the past decade of being an online digital entrepreneur. So if you could like that video, subscribe, and let's get started.
On your marks, get set, start.
The Starting Line Spotlight app of the day is TubeBuddy. Now, if you are starting a YouTube channel and you're trying to grow your subscriber count, using every tool you have at your disposal is really important. And if you're looking for keywords, best practices, metrics, all of this stuff is within the TubeBuddy system. So one of my favorite features is the video analytics and best practices. It is a checklist of everything that you should do if you want your video to do really well. A thumbnail, end card, comment pinned at the top, captions added, chapters added. In the TubeBuddy platform, you can see that you can build a checklist for every video you upload. Create a checklist so that you know you're going to do this for every video so you can help launch that video to success. So check out TubeBuddy. They have got some great free features and then a really powerful pro version. And this will help you grow your YouTube channel to 10 billion subs, or at least your first 1,000. So you're starting a YouTube channel or you have a branded YouTube account and you're wondering, why doesn't my URL look like my Facebook or Instagram where it's simple and clean, instagram.com/my handle, which is my brand. And it feels so good to see that when you share it, it's easy. And I don't know if you've seen a normal channel URL for YouTube. It is ugly. It is clunky. It is long. Let me show you exactly what mine looks like right now. If you look at your URL, youtube.com/channel, and here is your channel ID right here. So in order to change your default URL for YouTube, you need a few things. So let's talk about eligibility. Now, when you're starting a Facebook or Instagram or any other social media, you pick your handle right away and you secure that. But YouTube is a little different. You're given a default channel garbage name, which is just a bunch of letters and numbers. And you have to hit a few requirements in order to unlock the ability to change your URL name. If your channel is under 30 days, you are not eligible to even change your handle yet. Let's look at where this channel customization is and if I'm eligible yet. Under customization, which is on this left-hand side, very bottom, customization, we have the third option, basic info. Now this is where you add your YouTube description for your channel, but right under here is channel URL. So this is right now my URL for this channel. And if I wanted to send it to someone, I would copy, send it, easy. So in addition to 30 days old, you need 100 subscribers. Right now, I just launched this channel. I have 3. So I am not eligible, so I don't even have the option to do so. The other 2 requirements, you need to have a profile picture and a banner set. So under branding, you need a profile picture and a banner. And if those are there, and then you're 30 days old and you have 100 subscribers, you are eligible. So let's go back to my Skateboarder School YouTube channel and see if I'm eligible. So under customization, I'm going to go basic info. And here we can see that I just passed 200 subscribers, which means I am eligible for that. So I do check all the requirements. I hit over 200 subscribers. I've got it. This channel is a few months old and I have all the images set. So finally set a custom URL. So I'm going to click right here. So YouTube is going to suggest to use the channel name that you've set up as your name. So because the channel right here, you can see Skateboarder School is the name of my channel. So luckily Skateboarder School is available, but let's say it wasn't. I would have to come into here and say, adding a unique number or letter or word to make it a unique URL, because a URL has to be one. Now you can't have the same Instagram handle as someone because there's only one. So that is the same idea. So I'm going to go ahead and secure my custom URL right here and then publish. Once a URL is set, it can't be changed or transferred to a different channel. All right, the changes have been made. My custom URL is ready to go. I can copy it right here, copy, paste, and just like that, it's live and working. And wow, does that look so much cleaner. So the next step to customize your homepage or your YouTube channel is to add links to your banner. In the top right of your YouTube channel is a place for you to add links to send traffic so your audience can connect with you on other social media channels or your website or your newsletter, wherever you're trying to send people. It's a great place to connect. So if you're paying attention, right under channel URL is the place to add additional links. Now you can add up to 5 links displayed. If you have people viewing your channel, watching your videos, and they like your content, they might want to follow you on other social media. So connect it here and to make it easier for people to follow you across wherever you are. Now, here's a good hack. If you are sharing your YouTube URL to send to people, and this is the auto subscribe. Now, if someone clicks the link with the auto subscribe on the end, it is going to go to your homepage of your YouTube channel. And then a pop-up says, do you want to subscribe to this channel? They literally have to exit out of that in order to watch any videos. So this is a great opt-in and a really good way to encourage people to subscribe. So let's look at how to get this auto subscribe. What you do is you take your YouTube channel URL, and at the end of it, you're going to paste this !, sub_confirmation equals 1. After I pasted that to the end, I'm going to copy the whole URL. So let's look at what people will see when they click on this link with the auto subscribe. Are you sure you want to subscribe to this channel? Subscribe. Beautiful. You may not subscribe to yourself. Okay, well, you can subscribe to me. So hit that button. Do it. Let's see it. And if you have subscribed, but you're waiting to hit that like button, I'll pause for you to do it right now. So auto subscribe is a really awesome feature. I will link the exact code to copy in the description just to make it easy for you. Now, if you like the idea of managing links and wanting a better experience for how your URL is shared, or if you want to track your URL, you want to see where you're getting subscribers from, whether it's from your website or Facebook, there's a great easy option, and that is using a URL shortener. So right here, I'm using Rebrandly. Now, I was able to create a custom domain instead of using the rebrand.ly shortener. They have a really great, easy option for managing your own domain. So I was able to buy a URL with Rebrandly for $2 and then manage this for free. So I created this new link. I pasted this full YouTube channel plus the subscribe confirmation URL, and then to create a shorter, more succinct URL to share, to add to other social medias. So there's a lot of benefits of URL shortener, whether you're tracking, measuring, and comparing where you're getting these results. Awesome, awesome tool. Another cool feature, if you wanted to hand out business cards that say, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I just created this URL shortener. Now I'm going to say QR code this YouTube link. Created this custom one here. And so I'm going to click what size I would like, and then I can add it right onto a business card or stickers or wherever and put your channel out there in the world. The second great option for customizing a link for your YouTube channel is if you're using WordPress, a tool called Pretty Links, you can easily say, subscribe to YouTube. So you're going to copy and paste your URL right here. So I'm going to say subscribe to YouTube. And I'm going to know that this is specifically from my website, that people are clicking this link. And I'm going to say publish update. So now this YouTube link is ready to share, and looks like it is hosted right from my website. Now, some obvious custom YouTube channel features that you should be implementing are thinking about who is landing on your page, who is going to your homepage channel, and are they repeat or first time viewers? So the first thing you can do is set a channel trailer, or what do you want people to see that's their first time there? You can look at my skateboarding school. I do have a channel trailer that's kind of just a light breakdown of what I'm doing. So setting up how your channel looks, popular uploads, shorts, you can sort through and build the channel that you want. Now, how do you customize these things? It is really simple. Under customization, you have layout. Layout's going to give you two things: channel trailer for people who have not subscribed, and then featured video for subscribers. So if you have a really awesome, impactful video, that should be your featured video, or something that you're really hyped on, you're really trying to blow up. But if you want people who have not subscribed to get the most value, to feel out what your channel is all about, this is where you would set that video. Underneath here, you can set up to 12 sections, whether it's a playlist or your YouTube shorts. I've been adding a lot of YouTube shorts to my channel here, so I'm going to say, let's put this up high and really emphasize it. So really thinking about the experience of people coming to your YouTube channel. So let's break down two last things about customizing your YouTube channel to make it feel really professional. First thing is adding a video watermark. Now it's right here under branding. You can say upload, and then if you want it to keep it simple, just add your logo that you added in the profile picture. Right here, you can see I added a subscribe button to really note that this is a subscribe option, and people watching my videos, they'll see this watermark in the bottom right-hand corner, and it will give an opt-in. Will you click this to subscribe? Do you see it right here? If you do, hit it, subscribe, and it worked. I did make a video all about the YouTube watermark. You can find it in my channel. Now, the last, but honestly, one of the most important things about customizing your YouTube videos and your channel to make it awesome is customizing your YouTube thumbnails. YouTube is really great for two things: search and recommended videos. So searching content on YouTube is going to be keywords and SEO and a ton of metrics about what goes into your video. But the recommended side of things is all about click-through rate, and your thumbnail carries a lot of weight. Take the time and really make a good thumbnail. Learn about the techniques that work. Look at the thumbnails that you find yourself clicking on and start to take notes. I really liked what they did with that thumbnail. I really clicked it eagerly. Maybe I can take some notes and implement it into my videos. What you don't want to do is just take their suggested, here's 3 options from the video. These do not look good. I look terrible. Really what you want to do is take photos related to what you're filming, and you don't even need to take a keyframe from that video. You have photos that you can make original thumbnails for. But if you don't have that, so take your best frame, screenshot it, and then pull that open into something like Canva, because when I tell you they have templates for everything, you can pull up YouTube thumbnail and look at how many professional looking YouTube thumbnails there are ready to go, easy peasy. Now, if I were making a YouTube video about yoga, I could easily pull up this thumbnail right here, change it to be my branding, add my picture on the left, just like that. I would have a really clean, professional looking thumbnail in about 2 minutes, thanks to Canva's awesome templates. So 2 things I want to challenge you with. One is try to elevate your channel and make it feel professional. Customize it where you can and make the nice little details stand out. And 2 is Don't get wrapped up in all the little details. Make great content and focus on that first, because if you're not making high value, awesome content and videos that people want to watch, doesn't matter how much customization you have, it will mean nothing. So I really hope you learned something. And if you did, let me know down below what was the most impactful trick that you learned that you're going to implement. And if you have not already, hit that top link and enter the giveaway, because I really want you to win. You deserve it. You watched this whole video, you deserve to win. So enter the giveaway and I will see you in the next video. This has been Mark the Marketer with the Online Business Starting Line. And I'm really glad you found this channel. So subscribe so I can create more content to help you learn how to be a better online entrepreneur. Thanks and have a great one.